I chose to review a website called FreeMathHelp.com, and FreeMathHelp.com I would say is more for high school level math students and maybe some of the 8th graders who are taking pre-algebra. So at the top, it'll give you a category called Math Lessons, and it'll give you 6 examples. And so if I click on Algebra, it'll give me all kinds of lessons over different things to do with algebra. And it'll have text lessons, and it'll also have video lessons and even more algebra pages for me to look at. So if I click on an example, matrix multiplication, it'll take me to a separate page, and what FreeMathHelp.com does is it'll explain things if you don't understand. It'll also give you separate examples and solutions to help you solve your own problems. And FreeMathHelp also gives you different kinds of calculators. So if you forgot yours, or if you don't have one and you need one, you can always go to FreeMathHelp and get some. FreeMathHelp also provides several different types of games for kids to play. Just math games. And what I like about FreeMathHelp.com is if you scroll down to the bottom of every page, it provides an interactive problem solver. And this means you can enter your own problem and it'll give you the solution. I also like FreeMathHelp because it gives you current discussions and people ask questions about math and you can answer, or you can ask your own questions, and that goes on daily and people will answer you. I think FreeMathHelp.com is a very good website for math students or maybe anyone who is interested in math, and I also think that it is very helpful. Today I'll be reviewing an app called CalcMadeEasy, and this is a calculator app that's really easy to use and can be used for high school math and middle school math. So it's pretty much just like a basic calculator you can get on an iPhone, and it's easy to use, which is great. So the good thing about CalcMadeEasy, it has a notepad with it. So if you'd like to add a note, you just type in a name for the note and press OK. And if you go to the settings button at the top and go to the auto note calculations at the top and you switch it to on, this means whatever you do on your calculator will automatically be transferred to your notes. So that way you can keep track of everything very easily. CalcMadeEasy also provides a lot of universal constants, which means if you need to find pi, you can, and it'll automatically enter it into your calculator. Pressing the shift button brings even more selections, and then you can unshift to get back to the first set of selections. The light bulb at the top will give you multiple help and tips for the calculator to help you use it. If you don't want your calculator to automatically update your notes, you just switch the button again, and whatever you put in the calculator won't be put onto your notes. You can change the fonts and the themes of your notepads. I think the CalcMadeEasy is very helpful for high school students, and I also think it's great because it's easy to use, and I think I would use this a lot